Hello and welcome to the new Keyboarding 1 shell for GDP 11. We definitely have some changes going on winter term 2011, and I quickly wanted to go over what's going to look different and be different. So under Unit 1, Unit Content, there are some great tools for both you, the instructor, as well as the students. So we'll start with the students. So first day of class, you could write out a note that just says, please look under the Getting Started with GDP under Unit 1. And you will see first and foremost, you have to have gone in here and changed this information with your URL, the website that your students will be using to access the GDP material. Here is a student registration guide that tells them step-by-step how to register for GDP. This here is a great screencast in introducing GDP 11, how it looks different, what it is, as well as there's also information down here for the students as to what their system needs in order to run GDP, as well as any help if they need help. And then we also have included our technique development and how they should be working the keyboard. So that is all, again, very useful information on how to get students started. We also have a great hidden instructor resources on how to get you started, and we have listed here what is different, that GDP is now web-based. You will be creating your classes within GDP. All work is now done within the program, including Word documents. The 10 key assignment is now under Unit 6 and not introduced earlier. However, they can continue to work on their numeric keypad throughout the rest of the term to give them more time, which we've done before. This quick note is just trying to tell you that when commenting in Blackboard, you're going to be commenting on all of their work from the unit. So you have to make sure you're very specific with what points they lost, if any, in their assignment for the week. We also included how to calculate the final grade. It's just a very useful tool to make sure we're weighting our timings correctly. And then we also just included the timings information here as well. What their word per minute, how many points they would receive, and new kind of this term is putting the points in for numeric keypad. And just a warning, I had you guys fix the student side of the numeric keypad timing requirements. You might want to do that out here in your part, your area under the hidden instructor resources. I did change the master, so the spring term this will be fine. As well as there is just more information down here from McGraw on GDP 11. So again, great resources under Unit 1. The unit assignments themselves have not changed all that much. There might be different page numbers and different, like in Unit 1 we're doing Lesson 1 and 2. So you just want to make sure you're aware of the units that they're working on. And a huge, again, change is that they will not be filtering their portfolio anymore and turning in an assignment. All work is now done in GDP. You do not need to turn anything in. So it is really imperative that you go out to GDP every week to look at their work. So you will go under results and you will go under reports, and I know you've already done some training with the new GDP 11, but I just really wanted to show you that there are some really cool report types here to help you to make your work less cumbersome, meaning they have just a time writing table where it will literally tell you if the students, instead of having to go through their whole portfolio and look for, you know, if they, sorry, I want to go to student times writing, if they have 3 or less errors, and it will, if you view the report, it will pull that up for you. So you don't have to look completely through their portfolio for their best timing. Another great thing, and just something I want to show you, you're again used to progress reports, and that might be what you're most comfortable with for right now. You can do it as a whole class. You could do it as individual, and just really take advantage of all the different types of reports you can complete out here, because I think it will help with time management instead of having to look through each individual portfolio report. You can see the progress report of the whole class, or if you want, you can see individual progress reports. So if you come out here and you change it to student portfolio, this is the one you're used to. This is the one you'll probably be most familiar with, and you can come out here and see exactly what they've done and see how many errors they have. By clicking on the arrow, it gives you more information about it. So again, really take advantage of those reports. They're really, really neat. So going back to grading, so again, for Unit 1 assignment, you would literally go out to their portfolio, make sure they completed Unit 1, and then just come out to the Grade Center. Then you would come out to the Grade Center, and when you go to give an assignment for each one, you can go to Grade Details, and you could go to Override, give them a value, and then here is where you can give your feedback. And you can say, didn't complete Lesson 1, good work on Lesson 1, what have you. So, and it's not going to like me here because I'm in the master, but so that's how grading is going to work for this term. So now going down to Unit 6, another change here again is the numeric keypad. It's listed here, Unit 6 Assignment B. Oh, and warning, instructor is spelled wrong here. Please go out and fix it under Unit 6. Please, please, please. Because again, we're going to let them have more time to work on these assignments if need be. So please make sure you change this here. Inform your instructor if you receive a better score in future units. Please make sure we change that. So they will start numeric keypad here, and again we are going to now Unit 6 Assignment B will be based on points off of what score they get. And then Unit 7 starts the Word documents, and they will be doing the Word documents within GDP. They will not do a separate attachment and turn it in. Here's a tutorial to show them how to do the Word documents, and there's a tutorial in every single unit from here on out with the Word documents. And again, you will just be able to come out here to the reports and be able to see their report or their document processing, and you could just pull up again just the report on that, or you can always go in their student portfolio. So whatever is more comfortable for you, but again, really take advantage of those cool reports out here that you can use. So right here, it's going to tell you everything that you need to know for it. Okay, and then again under Unit 12, we just have some information on how to calculate the final grade. And those are all the changes. I know there are a lot of big changes. We are more than happy to take feedback this term and make changes if needed for next term. And we're excited to have something new and exciting. Thanks.